Just the record 10107. We see this sign and it says speed limits on it. We just wonder what that means. So, appreciate you reply to us for an answer. Breaker 10107 out. Check my car, check my car, check my car, hey, check my car, check my car. Check my car, check my car, hey, check my car. Cannot drive out town. See to it like this. Taxi cab is mad at us, but he won't last. Rolling down highway. Happiness let me go. The morning sun is on its way. You know it's time to go. Hey, check my car. Check my car. Check my coffee. Check my car. Hey, check my car.
Here it is. Truck dealership. Hello, fine sir. How are you today? You are very fine, fancy, you know? Very fancy suit you have there. It's my work outfit. I work over at the restaurant. You know, it's not really, a fancy suit. Well, it fits you so well because you're very fancy-ish. Not fancy-ish. Can we just get to the part where you sell me a truck? Of course. I don't like to think of selling. I like to think of giving. 'Cause I give you a truck, and then you give me money. Wonderful money. Well, yes. I so deliciously love money, don't you? Yeah. Alright. What kind of truck are you looking for? Well, you see, I am my restaurant company. I need to deliver stuff for them. You see, so I need a truck that can deliver food. Well, really, all trucks can deliver whatever you want, yeah? You see? Because, you can pick whatever you want in the trucks. Then why does it matter for me to tell you what I want in it? No reason. Okay. Anyway, I'd like to buy a truck sometime. Oh yes, of course. We have some nice new ones. Just about $100,000. Not that much. 100,000? What are you, crazy? I'm not gonna buy a truck that much. Listen, sir, do not yell at me, because I have people working and watching. Understand? What are you talking about? Just get on with it already. All right, your funeral. What? Anyway, moving on. As you said. Now, I have a very nice model. It's only 5,000. 5,000 seems kind of low, doesn't it? Is there something wrong with it? Oh no, of course not. It's just a very good deal. You see? Yes, it's a very good deal. You understand? Yeah, I guess. Guess I'll take it then. Oh, good. Now, can I have the delicious money? Oh yes. Oh, my money. Okay, can you just give me the truck so I can get away from you? Of course. Go ahead, take it. But you might want to know, this company is not responsible for any injuries that the truck causes, or any insults that the truck says. What in the world are you talking about? Well, you don't care about injuries, fine. Okay, I'm getting out of here. Goodbye, sir. Yes, goodbye, sir. Did you just laugh at me? No, of course not. Okay, getting out of here. I'll take a look at this truck and make sure everything is okay with it. The guy said it was a good deal, but I'm making sure anyway. Let's see. Oh, everything looks like it's pretty good, perfect shape, perfect condition. Well, I guess it was a good deal. Well,
Greetings, new master.
what? The truck talked.
Well, of course it did. Because I'm I'm a talking truck. Yeah, I'm one of the only talking trucks in the whole galaxy.
What? The whole galaxy.
The whole goddamn galaxy, I'm telling you.
What's the matter with you?
Oh, I have a mild cough.
You're a truck with a mild cough.
Yeah, exactly. Something understands finally.
How do you speak?
Told you. I'm the only one that speaks trucks in the whole galaxy.
Okay. Nice to know that. I think I'm going to get my money back. I don't want a talking truck.
What are you talking about? Of course you do.
What are you talking about? You're not even supposed to be talking.
Was that supposed to be funny?
Oh, fine. I guess I'll just take you. So, is there any way to turn your voice off?
Not that I know of.
That's it. I'm going over to that truck dealer, trying to get a new one. I don't want this talking one. Hey, truck dealer. Yes, yeah. What is it you need? I have everything I need. Lots of money, delicious money. Listen, buddy, I don't want a talking truck. Got it? Sir, what did you just say to me? I don't want a talking truck. Should I call the police on you that a crazy person is wanting his money back when I absolutely say no refunds, you see? And then he says it's a talking truck. They'd probably put you in a crazy place. Crazy jail, you know? And get you mental help, yes? Yeah? Well, but go away, sir. You told me that you didn't want to hear me anymore and all that stuff. So you can just go run along. But get out of here. More money. I guess I'm stuck with you then.
Yeah, I guess so. So, what's the problem being stuck with me?
I don't want a talking truck.
Oh, well, too bad, 'cause it looks like you got one.
Okay, let's just go over and get the food from my restaurant already.
Well, looks like we're stuck together, right, friend?
You're not my friend. Be quiet.
Oh, yeah, let's sing, why don't we? Oh, la 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 la. Yeah, we'll truck, I wanna go.